Hey foodies, this is Chef Pete, and continuing our food is medicine, you control the fat, salt, and sugar. Today we're going to start our series on herbs. And today, Anthony is showing you oregano. Oregano hails from, it literally comes from slopes of the mountain and the rocks in the Mediterranean region, and it does come from some of the Greek words. The origin words, oregano, which Greek words. The Greek words, the origin words, oregano, which is a mountain-loving herb. And this Greek delights were the Greeks' delights of this were the first to just grab a hold of it and figure, oh, this is pretty good. We can use it for medicines. We could use it for medicinal properties, stomach problems, all kinds of things. So herbs, not only do we put them in the cooking, but they help in some medicinal properties, okay? So the Romans then came to find, oh, gee, the Greeks have this, and why don't we, they took over Greece, and the Greeks were the slaves. The Romans had a big empire, and so the Romans started using it, and then they took it throughout their empire, all over the place, and to Europe, North Africa. That brings us to the thing that we love the most in the United States, pizza. Okay. And where do we put oregano at the end before they throw it in the ovens? On the pizza. Oregano is used for pizza to finish it, and that is how we do the oregano. And finally, a little folklore, myth and folklore, and I'm going to read this for you guys. Apollo's tears in Greek mythology. Oregano sprouted from the tears of Apollo, who Apollo, we know, was the sun god. He was the sun god because he mourned the death of Hyacinthus, his beloved, okay? And in many cultures, finally we understand that the oregano they burned it, the aroma, it warded off evil spirits, and it also made spaces like an air freshener. Like an air freshener.
Evil spirits.
Evil spirits, Anthony, yes, and an air freshener. So there we have it. Do Google oregano. And remember, we will be continuing on with rosemary, thyme, Italian seasoning, which combines a whole bunch. But we'll watch our series on Food is Medicine, the herbs from God. So this is Pete at Carpizzos. As always, thank you for watching and subscribing. Out.